Now, to show you what is going on in Nigeria today, and this is why our Prime Minister came and gave that warning that nobody should join Nigerian army from Biafra land. Before the agitation of Biafra, how many times have you seen Nigerian government to come and begging people from east, from Biafra land, from eastern region, from southeast as they call us today, to come and join Nigerian army? You know, so before they don't take them. That is why most of them will cross to Benue. And from Benue, they will pick form and go. Because we have Igbos in Benue. So Nigeria, we think that they are Igbos in Benue. They don't take them in army. Since
why?
End of the war. Because they're fearing Igbo man. Because the performances of Igbo man during the first Biafran war surprised Nigerian government and British. How civilian can shoot gun more than a trained army? This is why Ojuku said one Biafra soldier is equals to 1,000 Nigerian army that time. But I am telling you now, one Biafran liberation army is equals to 2,000 Nigerian army. The ratio. You see? Now they have come out to be begging our people to come and join them. As on before. Why? Because they see that our able men can be able, with a bare hand, fight and defend their fatherland, even in the present day. So the one Rohi, they have used a Bubagu have failed, a Bubagu did not succeed, they use special vigilante, they are not succeed, now they want to lure them into Nigeria.
They say it's a setup, ekpa says it's a setup.
It's a setup really, to lure them into Nigerian army, so that they will forsake joining the Biafran Defense Force. And when they took you, lure you out, they will give you shallow training and push you to Zanzibar, push you to Nasarawa, push you to Katsina, and set you up where bandits, Fulani herdsmen, and all sorts of terrorist people that gathered in Nigeria will wipe you off. Then the remaining one, they still give you uniform and push you down to Biafra land to go and fight against yourself. Biafra against Biafra. That's what they are planning. This is why someone ekpa said they should not join. And not only that, if you join and die, there's no compensation. You are Yamiri, you are Omibo. There's no compensation. Now, why should they come and beg Biafrans to join their army? What of repentant Boko Haram? Are they no more repenting? Have they repented finished? What of the machineries they import from Senegal and other parts of Africa, even from Pakistan? Have they finished? How can you invite a person who is fighting to leave you, who is fighting not to be with you, to come and guard their house? How can they invite the Biafra to come and join their national army to guard their house? Don't you know there's something over there? There's something fishy. And when they recruit all of them finish, if there any eventuality now, something like riot and anarchy, they will go to barrack and kill all of them. Kill all the Biafrans that joined their army. And they do in 1966 to limit our armed forces so that we cannot have men to resist them again. The God will provide men for us. So my people should not join. Whosoever join is on his own. And whosoever join Nigerian army, we Biafrans, Biafran government, we look at that person as a saboteur. And that person will be treated as saboteur. The one that have already joined before our agitation and pleaded to them to honorably resigned. Honorably resigned. Otherwise, if they were pushed to Biafra land to come and fight against the Biafrans, there will be no mercy. there be no mercy, because whosoever came in the name of Nigeria to fight in Biafra land is enemy of Biafra. It's enemy of Biafra, and there be no room to spare. There be no room to spare.
But what of people that some of the youths there that always had the dream of being a military in the military? Some of the youths there in the east that always had this dream of becoming a military officer in the east. Should you now say they should ignore, them, wanting to go for them being an army officer?
Now, any Biafran man that desires to be a military should be a military under Biafra to defend the Biafran land. If you're a Biafran and you're joining the military to Nigeria and they're just coming to kill you, what will you do? If they are not, because of fear of anything, to join Biafra Defense Force now, they can wait. When Biafra is fully established, then they can join Biafran armed forces fully. You understand? Because as of now, some parents may not like their children to join the agitation because of the fear that anything can happen tomorrow. They will come and pick in the house. But if their children join the Biafran army, nobody will come and pick them. Because now, because there was a time when a Bubagun was going house to house in Imo State, killing relations of Biafran Liberation Army, killing their relations, women and children, mother and father, grandparents that were in the house, killing them.
Why?
Because of their foolishness. Because they have brainwashed. Because they were under the spell of Uzodinma, which Fulani, their paymaster, have cast upon him. That spell affected the Bubagu. That's why they went house to house, killing their own brothers, because they have relation in Biafra Liberation Army or Biafra Defense Force. So, any Biafra man should not join any Nigerian armed forces, whether Navy, whether Air Force, whether Custom, whether Immigration, whether Civil Defense, whether Army. Any the paramilitary, they should not join. They should not join. So, I thank God as how our Prime Minister have come and give them money. Then everyone that refused to heed to that warning and go to join Nigerian army, whatever that happened to him, his blood will be upon his head. Because my people say,
what does that mean?
That any grasshopper or insects that any bird swallowed up, now death ear kill that insect. Because one bird will come, it will make a noise. That's a bird will go a poco. When we come, its wind will make noise. Then every insect will know that it's swallowed. But the one that poco swallowed up is death ear that kill that insect. That one that
But what about if the money that they want to pay them in the army, in Nigerian army, is bigger than what maybe the Biafran Liberation Army might pay? So do you not think they want to go for that? They would look at the financial aspect, the financial gain.
How much Nigeria is paying their army currently now? How much Nigeria are paying their currently now? That one Igbo boy carrying only pure water in hand doesn't make in a week. We Igbos, we are business entrepreneurs. What Nigerian will pay them? Even if they are doing only clearing gutter, they will make it in 2 weeks. That 1 month money off, salary Nigeria will pay them as a Nigerian army. They will make it in 2 weeks by clearing gutter. By doing labor job, they will make it. Because I know my people, we are strong. But in the other hand again, the question you ask is a true question. Because whenever Igbo man see money, he can kill kill himself because of money. Then if they pay you not a huge amount of money, that they are not paying their own army, why can't you know that there's a danger ahead? Why can't you know that there's a danger ahead? They are trying to entice you, and when you die, there's no guarantee. Just like signing a contract of death. Signing a contract of death with them. Signing a contract of death with them. When you die, no guarantees, no remorse, no nothing. Even your coffin or dead body, your people will not see it. Because they don't not hear the news whether you have died or not. They will continue waiting. Finally, there's a time when they will not see you. They forget about the person. You understand?
Yeah.
So if they have sense, whatever money pay them, they should not go.
Okay.
For their own life sake, for their future sake, for their generation sake, they should not go.
Okay. They should not go. Okay.